This is the recipe for the best roasted chicken. It's incredibly delicious and super easy to make. For this recipe, we're gonna need 1 kilogram of chicken drumsticks. Make some cuts in each of them. Follow what I'm doing. Now season the drumsticks with 1 teaspoon of mild paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Mix well. If you are still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below, "I love chicken." Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and mix again. If you don't like one of these spices, don't add it, or change it for something you like better. In a baking pan, add a drizzle of oil and spread it across the surface. Put the drumstick inside, one by one, being careful they have enough space between them. Add 1 big potato, cut in sticks. It will turn soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. So delicious! Comment below where you are watching us from, and I will personally thank you for following our recipes. We'll be super happy. Add a pepper, cut in sticks. That will give a great taste to your chicken. Now add a chopped tomato. Then chop an onion and add it in the mix. Cover the chicken with some aluminum foil. Put it into an oven preheated at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Remove the aluminum foil and leave it in the oven for another 30 minutes or until the chicken turns gold. This is how our chicken should look like. The chicken is juicy. The potatoes are mouth-watering and soft, aren't they? This is a perfect lunch recipe and serves more than 4 people. Try it at home. I'm sure you won't regret it. I really hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm going to answer your comments below. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!